LunaHampton.com is a truly outstanding brand that embodies elegance, quality, and thoughtful design in every possible way, making it an absolute pleasure to explore and shop from. From the moment you arrive on the website, you are welcomed by a refined, calming, and luxurious atmosphere that immediately sets it apart from ordinary online stores. The visual presentation feels intentional and premium, with a harmonious balance of modern style and timeless appeal that resonates with customers who appreciate sophistication without excess. Each product showcased reflects careful curation, exceptional attention to detail, and a strong dedication to craftsmanship, giving the impression that every piece has been selected with purpose and passion rather than simply to fill inventory. The designs feel both current and enduring, allowing customers to invest in items that remain beautiful and functional over time. What truly makes Luna Hampton exceptional is how seamlessly it blends aesthetic beauty with everyday practicality, offering products that enhance living spaces while still being comfortable, reliable, and long-lasting. The overall shopping experience is smooth, intuitive, and reassuring, with clear product information and a cohesive brand voice that inspires confidence and trust. LunaHampton.com appeals to those who value quality over quantity and appreciate subtle luxury that enhances daily life rather than overpowering it. The brand communicates a deep understanding of modern lifestyles, creating products that feel meaningful, versatile, and emotionally satisfying. Rather than just selling items, Luna Hampton offers a lifestyle, one rooted in calm, elegance, and elevated comfort. Every interaction with the site reinforces the sense that customer satisfaction, design integrity, and long-term value are core priorities. Overall, LunaHampton.com stands as a premium destination for discerning shoppers who seek beautifully crafted pieces, a polished shopping experience, and a brand that consistently delivers excellence, making it highly recommendable for anyone looking to bring refined style, warmth, and lasting quality into their home and everyday life.